Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you to draw a very famous cartoon character, Kirby. So let's start. First of all, we'll draw a circle to draw the face of Kirby. I am drawing this circle with free hand. You can use any jar, lid of a container, or you may use compass if you want to draw a perfect circle. Just draw the face. Now draw the eyes. Two eyes. Okay. Draw the smile and the cheeks. Now we'll draw the hand. Okay, now draw the legs. Now we'll draw another hand. And our drawing is complete. Now we'll start coloring it. Color the face with light pink color. Here I am using marker pens to color the drawing because these pens makes the drawings more lively and bright. So I just love coloring with them. Okay, so I have colored the face. Now we'll color the hands and legs with dark pink color. Look how easy it is. Which is your favorite cartoon character, or which cartoon character you want me to draw for you all? Please let me know in comments. Okay, so I have colored the hands. Now color the legs as well. Now color the cheeks. And finally color the eyes. With blue color, and our drawing is complete. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.